2, 1, eat it! Cheers! Cheers! Yay! Cheers! Dark night! Dark night! Who's winning? Who's winning? Contestant number 1? Contestant number 2? Make some noise for your team! Woo! What about contestant number 3? They're getting serious. The neck is going all the way down. It's getting really serious up in here. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And all right, we're gonna have the judge. Somebody was hungry. Why is contestant number 2 eating like one side? Oh, the teeth. The teeth. The teeth is missing. That one right there looked like a teeth is missing. All right, hold up. All right, and the winner. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Contestant number 1, keeper, and his 1 fan. Puerto Rican is in the building. Hey, he don't got a job. No. Get him something else. Get him a job application. Thank you. All right, what's the next game?